Hello, Sushi Kings and Sushi Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world, and you can acknowledge me as the head of Sushi Buffet. And I am your Strapo Sushi with another food review today. So we got rice, scallops, Brussels sprouts, and crab cakes. If you guys love stuff, please comment below. And what's going on today is this. Oh yeah, I'm having that today. Oh yeah, we're eating this today, and this is for my dad actually made this Take it with him, by the way.
Hello.
It's here, by the way.
Hello.
So it'll be good. So let's go dive into this. Alrighty, Brussels sprouts I don't like. I eat them a good steak, but another way to quick, it'll be good. And then we go to scallops. I love seafood. What's up with seafood? Please comment below. Sushi with this. Mm. Mm. That's a good scallop. And our crab cakes. Let's go. This is sauce. Delicious. And my favorite rice. Sushi, yeah, this is this. So delicious. But afterwards, let's if you guys do. If you guys love it, please comment anything on this channel. Come on. So what's going on? I'll tell you guys what's going on in your visuals. And afterwards, I'm signing off, guys. So stick around watching our videos, guys. You can submit, like, comment, subscribe, and join our notification button. Never miss an upload. And please, what's the neighbors and proms sponsor me of this YouTube channel. Just kids on this channel, and answer this video, just do please. And please share to me and your friends. I'm just really good with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. If you don't, that we got 2 videos. Sushi, yeah.